Chair, I don't understand why we persist in giving away our power. All this amendment does is reclaim a small portion of our power. It is our job to make these decisions. This doesn't hurt the Attorney General. This doesn't hurt the Office of Special Counsel. This just reclaims the power that was originally ours until we gave it away. I mean, what are we here for? We're supposed to appropriate the money, not give carte blanche to an inferior officer. And I appreciate your concerns, Madam Chair, and Senator Shaheen's, but this amendment addresses it. And this is not going to cause the world to spin off its axis. This just reclaims Congress's power to appropriate in a transparent and fulsome way. And I don't understand the concern for the life of me.
Senator Durbin.
I wasn't going to comment on this, but I want to say a word. This special counsel statute is explicit in what it does. It gives to the Attorney General the power to appoint a special counsel in extraordinary cases. He determines that criminal investigation of a person or matter is warranted, that the investigation or prosecution of that person by a U.S. Attorney's Office or litigating division of the Department of Justice would present a conflict of interest for the department or other extraordinary circumstances, and that under the circumstances be in the public interest to appoint an outside special counsel. So what kind of special counsels have been appointed? Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed U.S. Attorney David Weiss as a special counsel to prevent the appearance of political interference in the investigation and prosecution of Hunter Biden. Keep in mind that Mr. Weiss is a Republican who was appointed by former President Trump. And Attorney General Garland appointed special counsel Robert Hur to investigate the classified documents found at President Biden's properties. If the Hagerty Amendment becomes law, we stand the risk of jeopardizing this effort to avoid conflicts of interest. Yes, Senator Kennedy, there is a question of giving up our jurisdiction, but for an express purpose and a situation it warrants it. I think long and hard before I support this amendment. I think Senator Shaheen is right. There's budgetary consequences as well. I hope we defeat the Hagerty Amendment.
Are there any other senators who wish to speak?
Madam Chair, I'd like to speak briefly, if I might.
Senator Hagerty.
Thank you, Senator Durbin, for your comments. I would just like to be clear that this would apply to any of the special counsels that reach across and redirect funds that we have appropriated on a discretionary basis. It's not particular to Jack Smith. It's just that Jack Smith has been such an egregious example of this misappropriation of funds. What we're trying to do is reclaim our authority as a committee. That's what I'm trying to do. This is a major process foul, setting the politics aside. And I don't think it jeopardizes in any way the Attorney General's ability to achieve the job. There are other mandatory categories where these funds may come from. That's where they should come from, unless they come back to this committee and have permission to do so. Thank you very much.